Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. Today we're going to try out this easy recipe with our butternut squash. It's called roasted butternut squash. And here I have so many squash that I need to figure out what to do. Well, I was watching Anita from Living for Later, and she was with her daughter Faith.
Hey, and today we're going to teach you how to make a really simple baked butternut squash. I feel like squash is so underrated and a lot of people are like, I don't like squash, and I think it's really all about how you prepare it.
I was looking at my butternut squash and thinking, what can I do? I need to start cooking the squash and eating them. I have so many. And I was watching this lady who talked about cutting up her butternut squash and putting it on a tray and baking it and eating it. And I decided, well, I need to get with it and try this out because I have so many and they're so beautiful. And I need to really eat them and enjoy them now. So that is exactly what I did. I took one of them and I cut it up into cubes, and now I'm going to put it in the oven and roast it and enjoy it.
And sometimes even longer. I just like for it to get like caramelized, and it's just really an awesome side. You can sprinkle black pepper and salt on 400, and I bake it for like an hour or so.
So I've decided to cut up the butternut squash and put it in the oven and roast them and see what happens next. And I am very excited about this process. I'm going to roast them in the oven on 400 and then enjoy them. Well, here is my roasted butternut squash. Yes, I have finished it, and here it is. Wow, it looks pretty good to me. It almost reminds me of potatoes, you know, when we roast or fried potatoes. That's what it reminds me of, but it's with squash instead. I think it came out pretty good. I'm going to taste it. Yes, I am, and eat it and share it with my family. Well, I'm going to sample this, and they look like baked or fried potatoes. You know, potato strips or potato puffs. That's what it looks like. Let's taste it and see how it tastes. It tastes like potato. I can taste the squash now. This tastes really fresh. I like this. I might end up eating it all by myself. Came out very good. A little crispy, but a little soft and tender in the middle. I like that. I think if you have kids, they'll like it. Yeah, because it reminds me of potato, you know, potato puffs or baked potatoes. Tastes very good. Oh, good. I found a new recipe for my squash, my butternut squash. Oh, this is very good. I like this. Karen came in and started eating the butternut squash, and I wanted to capture the moment. Okay, go ahead, pick it up and eat it. Go ahead, you did.
I'm gonna do it for you.
No.
Go. Pick it up. Oh my god. And we're gonna try potato puffs out of squash.
And look at it.
Alright, I'm gonna zoom into her mouth.
That's not how it works.
I don't know how to zoom in.
It's the top. I want to thank Anita from Living for Later and her daughter Faith for sharing their recipe with us. Now, Karen, or Glamfun, she wasn't as cooperative as Faith was, but I hope that you enjoyed this video and the sharing of my harvest. Come on back again, and we'll continue to try new recipes for the use of these wonderful butternut squash. Yes, and have a great season of harvest. For more videos, watch Catherine's Garden. Remember to subscribe. I need you to subscribe to Lady Wisdom Speaks or Catherine's Garden. Yes, thank you so much. Bye.